What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the next one on our Seagulls journey. Danger Zone. Most early song the world damn knows for sure. The moment you die, whether you can fly, you cease forever to be able to do it. J.M. Barry. Let's jump in. Hey, it's coming at us from Ronnie. I appreciate it. We know it's not going to be Danger Zone like you've ever heard it before. It's going to be definitely different. Maybe a little bit bluegrass, maybe a little bit twangy twang. But it's going to be fantastic. So, let's go for a journey. See? What I say? Let's go.
Revving up your engine, listen to her howling roar. Metal under tension, begging you to touch and go. Highway to the danger zone.
Ooh, give me the bass.
Heading in the twilight, spreading out her wings tonight. She got you jumping off the deck, shoving into overdrive. Highway to the danger zone. Right into.
Yo, I just realized that the microphone stands on chainsaw blades, and that is fucking fantastic. Seriously cool shit going on this stage. This would be amazing to see live. I will be there, right there in the front row.
To the danger zone. Right into the danger zone. Highway to the danger zone. I'll take a ride into the danger zone. The edge is always where I burn to be.
Oh.
Further on the edge, high the intensity. Highway to the danger zone. I take a ride into the danger zone.
The bass player is plucking the hell out of my whole heartstrings right now. I can feel it in my bones.
Ride into the danger zone. Highway to the danger zone. I take a ride into the danger zone. You never say hello to you until you get it on the red line overload. You never know what you can do until you get it up as high as you can go.
Oh, it's fantastic.
Highway to the danger zone. Take a ride into the danger zone.
I need one of these Seagull outfits so I can fly.
Highway to the danger zone. Take a ride into the danger zone.
They had way too much fun doing this. Way too much. That was freaking
Thank you, ladies and
fantastic.
gentlemen.
He's back. Absolutely get over and
seems to
show
be our biggest fan on
Steve
stage.
Seagull some love on his channel. We already been subbed up. We already smashed the like button. Go see if his community is the community for you if you enjoyed it for sure. Shout out to Ronnie for the fun and kind of upbeat and happy and different requests this morning. I appreciate you. Till the next one, I'm Highly Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.